cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A. Cot square ante cos square A by sin square A minus 1 by 1 by 2 cos A by sin A. That is equal to cross multiplication cos square A minus sin square into 1 sin square A by 1 into sin square A sin square A by 2 cos A by sin A. Cos square A minus sin square A formula cos 2A by sin square A by 2 cos A by sin A. Cos 2A by sin square A sin A into sin A into sin A by 2 cos A. Sin A cancel. Cos 2A by 2 sin A cos A. Cos 2A by 2 sin A cos A sin 2A. That is equal to cot 2A. Therefore, cot 2A is equal to cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A.